Namaste friends. Today I am sharing some yoga postures which helps in back pain during pregnancy. These yoga posture will helps in back pain, improves your flexibility and balance as your belly grows. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start. The first yoga posture name is bridge pose, the Setu Bandha Asana. For that, lie down on your mat slowly. Make sure you are fully comfortable. Relax here. Minimum 5 breaths. Connect with your baby. When you are fully comfortable, now palms on the floor. Slowly bend your knees. Balance your body. Balance your foot. Now with inhale, slowly come up. Your lower body. Here, no need to control your breath. Breath normally. Minimum 10 breaths, maximum 20 breaths as per your comfort. Now with exhale, come back and relax the posture. Now second time, same process. With inhale, come up. Your lower body. Balance your body on your shoulder. Breath normally. After 10 breaths, with exhale, release the posture. Release your legs and get relaxed. Now, for the second posture, the name is butterfly posture. Come, any cross leg first. Relax your body, relax your breath. Now, sit on your mat, straight shoulder, straight spine. Now, take the position. Join your foot soles together, heels. Try to touch your heels to your perineum. Stretch your shoulder, stretch your chest. Now like a butterfly, move your legs like a butterfly. Breath normally here. Make sure you are fully comfortable. You can connect with your baby also. By your one hand, touch your belly. After 1 minute or 2 minutes, you can loose the posture, release it and come to the relaxed position. Again, relax your breath, relax your body. Make sure you are fully comfortable. Now the third yoga pose is child pose. For that, take the position. Now your palms on the floor. Head on the floor. Relax your body. Breath normally here. Release all the tensions from your back pain. Normally breathe. Lose your body. Lose your all tensions, all your mental stress. Relax here like a baby, like a child. By practicing of this yoga, you will get relaxed from the back pain. After 10 or 20 breaths, release the posture. Come up with exhale. And then come down. Release your hands. Relax your breath. And now come to the relaxed position, any crossed legged pose. Relax here. So friends, practice these yoga postures regularly and get relaxed from the back pain during pregnancy time. I hope friends you like my content. Namaste. Take care. Bye bye.